Hello, welcome back to Blender CC LIVENODING. In this episode, I will be sharing this node setup that I created yesterday. So it's basically some kind of like a paper butterfly. So this can be improved, but this is the idea. So I'm using, of course, the symmetrized mesh, and I'm actually using it twice. You might be wondering why. Let me actually, if I just plug this guy into this guy directly, so it does this rotation matrix. That's kind of animating and flapping, but only on one side. So this kind of like an interesting side effect when you're using matrix in plug into this node. And then I'm using another symmetrized mesh to actually symmetrize the other wing. Okay, so that's with the animations, and you can see here the directions from positive x to negative, and this one is the opposite. But what's happened in the previous one is more like how we create the top and the bottom part of the wing. So basically, if I draw it using grease pencil, it's pretty much, I started with circle on the top and the bottom of the wing, and then I randomize it using noise, and I kind of merge it together. And I'm also using matrix share, if I'm not wrong. So let's take a look. So the two part of the wings, the top and the bottom, is basically the same. So let's check it out. So I started with circle. So this is the top half of the wing, the top part. And from this circle, I noise displace it. And there's the seed here to kind of randomize the noise a little bit. So we have a little bit of variations. And I have rotate. This is okay. This is to control the rotations of the circle. But I'm using this matrix share. This one is actually quite interesting. Without the sharing, if I zero it out, it just looks like a little bit like a circle. But with the sharing, I can kind of skew the butterfly wing a little bit to make the shapes. And this is just an extra randomizations. I probably don't need this. It's just to add a extra touch to it. And scale, and I merging. This is merging the top and the bottom part, and it creates half of the wing. And then before I symmetrize and animate it, the bottom part is pretty much the same. Start with a circle. You can have any number of vertices here. Less is more, actually. Same thing up here. And noise displace it. Noise displace, rotate, move if we need to move it, and share it. So matrix share, I share it just in one axis. So it's the butterfly itself is just a flat object. If we are using procedural texture together with this, I think it will work as well to make the butterfly. And we have randomizations here and merge mesh, and then we symmetrize it. Symmetrize is super handy in this case for butterfly, of course. And so we have this flapping butterfly. So yeah, but this one we are actually animating in the component levels. In the here you can see the location, rotation, scale. They are all same. So it's almost like animating the shape keys. So this is a bit of randomizations with the seed again. And yeah, you have some kind of butterfly. All right. So hopefully this is useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.